So who that they walk a cook?
Oh, Jesus.
What, so?
So hold on. I'll go on down to this morning in there.
Oh, Jesus.
Same way. Same they get shot?
Yeah.
Don't look so much, sir.
You don't get shot?
Who's in get up and shut off, not me breeze.
And this morning is a go on. So hold on. This, the real. Show it over again. Dog slide up fast as fuck.
But we don't love to see the community rise because not everybody living at the ghetto, a dirty mind and a whole gun. We have good people and we are real people who serve God. You understand me? We need we community to develop and we young youth them to stop kill your brother, stop kill your sister, have sense. You can target it over instead of shoot it out. No make because of money I kill your sister and I kill your brother. Love a discipline, love a principle, love unite, love make everything better, love make your community nicer. You can go out and come in without fear. A man tell you if you go do if your mother this and that. Ignore him because word is win. You know? We want to see Rosa live up right now. We want better in our community right now. We need it right now. We really need it.
What do you think about the state of emergency? Is it effective?
No, I don't think so. Because after them gone, everything is gonna be just the same. You understand me?
A while ago you just see a skit with a man run up on the next man and give him a couple gunshot. You see it? People out there in the social media world, it's only acted. See my virgin I my show. Remember to leave a comment, like, subscribe. Give me a share now man. See it. Big up yourself.